Hi guys, welcome back in this Python series of video. Today's topic is about for and while loop. So guys, your for loop is used for iterating over a sequence that is either a list, tuple or dictionary or set or a string. Okay. So guys, it like mostly if you want to execute set of statement with help of for loop, once for each item in a list, tuple, set, etc. So we can help with help of for loop. So we can execute the set of statement one for each item. So for this example, we are using for loop, iterating over a sequence either in list, tuple, dictionary. Now we have this. Let me cars. Okay, in this cars variable, I'm storing the list. It contain item BMW or data. Now I'm just using the for x in this cars. Okay, I'm just searching the for x in this card. Now what it is printing? Now let me execute this one. So it is going to print BMW first, then RD, then Thar. Why? Because how many we have three items. So three times it will be executed. So BMW RD Thar. So it is printing for X in car, then print, then again it is printing RD, then it is again printing Thar. Okay. Now even strings are iterable objects, guys. They contain sequence of characters. For example, X in Thar, so it is going to print T H A R. For example, right now we have showcasing banana. Now I'm executing this one. So T H A R for X in Thar. So X it will for X it is going to T, then printing. Then again, it is coming to for H, then again printing X, H is printing, like this it is going the loop. So now, one more example. Okay, for cars, variable, and for X in fruits, print X, if X equal to Thar, break. So what happened, in this loop, okay, I'm going to utilize, second. So I'm going to utilize here, whenever X in fruit, it is going to print BMW, RD, Thar. Okay, it is going to print BMW RD Thar, guys. Okay, whenever for X in print is going to print like this. Okay, for X in print, it is going to BMW. Then again, it is coming X equal to Thar. No, right? So it is still BMW. Again, it is printing. Whenever Thar is coming, right, it is going to break. So one time, it means this loop will print only one Thar, and second Thar it is not going to print. Now let me execute this one again. 1 second, guys. Why it is? Sorry. I have to mention this variable. Execute it. See. Okay, for X in car, BMW, then Thar and continue. Sorry, no, not this one, this one. So it's my mistake. Yeah. Now I'm executing. See, BMW is printing 2 times, RD also printing 2 times. Why? Because I have mentioned whenever Thar is coming, it has to break. But for one time it is printing, second time it is going to break. So like this, we are going to use for with if and the break, guys. So this kind of scenarios you need to practice more. Then you can understand the how we can utilize the for and if break, guys. Now coming about here, one more example with help of continue. Whenever S equal to Thar is coming, right, it is going to continue and print. Now the example here, BMW is printing, okay, for X in car. Then if X equal to Thar, then it is printing BMW. But when it comes to Thar, it is going to stop, continuing this. Okay, now let me execute it again. See, BMW RD. So whenever X in car, so it is going to BMW, then RD it is printing, but when X equal to Thars, what I mentioned, continue, print X. So whenever X equal to Thar, it is going to not printing. Let me see once again, guys. So guys, with the continue statement, we can stop the current iteration of the loop and continue with the next. So that is the reason whenever Thar is coming, it is going to, we are stopping the current iteration and continue to the next, guys. So that is the reason we are printing up to BMW and RD. So now the next one is how we can utilize the while. Okay, the while loop, we can execute set of statement has like as condition is true. For example, when I equal to 1, when I less than 6, print I, then increment 1. So it is going to print like this as output. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I equal to 1, 1 is less than 6, then print 1. 1 is, and again 2 is less than, then it is incrementing to 2 is less than 6, 2, 3 is less than 6, 3, it is printing, 4 is less than 4, 5 less than 5, then 6 is not going to print. Okay. 6 is less than 6, right? So that is it. It is not printing. Remember to increment 1, else the loop will continue forever. We have to increment the I gets, else what happens, the loop will continue like this. Okay. So the break statement, we can stop the loop even if the while condition is true. Okay. For example, same scenario I have applied here. Simply I'm mentioning whenever I equal to 3, break, then I plus 1. Now let me execute, then you can understand it. So I is equal to 1, then I less than 1, 1 is printing, then 2 is printing, but whenever I equal to 3, it is going to break, guys. Okay. So like this, we can utilize the break statement. With continue statement, with help of while loop, same it is working like for. So with the continue, we can stop the current intention and continue with the next. So right now, same execution I'm using. I'm executing. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. But I 3 will not go through. Why? Because it is stopping the 3 and rest to 4, 5, 6 is printing. So this is with help of continue statement. So now we can utilize else also. With the else, we can run a block of code once the when the condition no longer is true. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I is no longer than x6. So like this, we can execute. Now you can utilize with the continue also. Okay. Same scenario for for how we discussed. So continue will be happen with the while if. Okay. So I equal to 3 means it is going to stop the loop, and next statement is printing. So for example, I want to find out to sort, sorting order. So for this list, name running. So 2, like this it is coming, 2, 23, 24, 25. Suppose I want to combine the two lists. List 1 is this one and list 2 is this one. And I have created one more variable. This two variables contain, one is list and the second is list 2. And it contains, this is the data items. I want to combine, simple, I use the plus operator, then I'm printing this one. Now it is going to concatenate it. So like this we are getting. So this is about that for and while loop, guys, and list, concatenate and sort. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you, guys. I will try to upload more on Python as well as Python with the data engineer also.